What do you mean, uh-oh? Yes, you can. You getting the hang of it, Brittney? Push your way through, Brittney. I'll get him. Come on, Brittney, get her back. She's got you cornered. Try going the other direction. There you go. Now straighten it out. Straighten it out. Go for it. You're doing well. Oh, Brittney's out of control. Brittney's out of control. Let's straighten it out. There you go. Bumble, Brittney. Go full force. You're going too much in one direction, Brittney. You're going to keep spinning. You got to straighten it outside. You got to reverse a little bit and then straighten it out. There you go.